Hi there, this is the Sony Bravia A80K. It's a 120Hz OLED smart TV and we had uploaded a very detailed review on this device a couple of days back. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend you do. You'll find the link for that video in the description. So we got tons of requests for a dedicated gaming video on this TV. And yeah, it comes with 120Hz refresh rate and it's actually designed perfectly for a PS5 gaming console. So I believe it definitely deserves one. So here we are to show you PS5 gaming experience on the Sony Bravia A80K. I'll be demonstrating 3 to 4 games, Hitman 2, Unchartered, Football PES 2021 and my favorite Horizon Forbidden West. The graphics on this is way beyond words. I can't wait to show it to you and I'm sure neither can you wait to see it. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So the unit we have is a disc version of PS5. There is also a digital version. If you want to buy this, it approximately is priced around 50,000 on Flipkart, though it's currently out of stock, so keep an eye on it when it's available. It's one of the best gaming consoles you can buy. So step 1, you need to connect the HDMI cable on the TV's HDMI 3 or 4 port only, because only those two ports support 4K at 120Hz. HDMI 1 and 2 are 4K 60Hz. Which is ideal if you're going to connect your set-top box or even a Blu-ray player. Now once the setup is done and you're on the home page, press the quick setting buttons on the remote and navigate to Bravia notifications. In new notifications, scroll down to Setup VRR. Click Setup, click Next, then come to HDMI 3 since that's where we have connected the PS5. Now move that from Standard to Enhanced Format VRR. Now once back to the home page, open Quick Settings again. And in the picture settings, you'll see that the game mode has been turned on by default. Alright, we're ready to play, but first we're going to insert the Horizon Forbidden disc. There you go. So after we installed the game, we're ready to play. Let's turn it on.
At least they make you feel better. Alright, we should keep going.
Oh wow, the vibration and the haptic feedback, sound effect on the gaming remote is unbelievable. It gives it so much more immersive experience. Check out that smoothness, guys. Actually, we're recording at 60 frames, but the refresh rate I can experience is 120 frames. It's totally next level in reality. But I'm sure you're getting a very close idea.
The backup? Well,
There's no input lag, there's no delay, couldn't be more perfect.
Looks like I left a carcass behind. A lot of arrows in that machine. Better take a closer look.
That lock is really stuck, huh?
I just have to land one full-drawn shot.
After you.
Get to the grass.
Never seen one of those before.
Ooh, wow, this is fun. The smoothness and the frame rate is almost unbelievable. It feels so real. Okay, I'm not very good at this game, so you see, but I'm still trying. But trust me, that was fun. Now let's play Hitman 2. Now this is quite a dark setup, but with HDR it looks so immersive and real. I'm not sure if the camera can do full justice to the experience, but the refresh rate just adds so much more realism. Wow, this game can be so intimidating.
That computer. See if you can't access it. Encrypt it.
And then a quick look at football. Wow, check that out.
For everybody here. Oh, get ready for some high-grade football, Peter. Two strong teams, as you say, full of...
This looks so real. The smoothness and the clarity, and I know I'm repeating my words, but with the Sony A80K and this PS5, both these combinations absolutely blow you away. Oh man. Ooh, and never mind, I'm not too good at this game either. Let's quickly play Unchartered. Oh wow, this is so responsive, so smooth. Now I've been playing this game after a really long time, not got the hang of it, but still getting used to it. So if you have a 120Hz smart TV and love to play games, the PlayStation 5 is a no-brainer. In fact, it's the easiest to recommend gaming console. However, if it's the other way around and you have a PS5 and you're looking for a really good gaming TV, then the Sony A80K fits the bill perfectly. It's an OLED TV with 120Hz refresh rate. So you get vibrant colors, the deepest blacks that you could ever want, and the super smooth refresh rate. This 55-inch variant starts at 1,84,000. I'll leave the purchase links as well as the link of my review video in the description. I think you should definitely watch that, and if you want to buy it, you can check out the link as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.